Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, The Coconut Palm. First 1 to 8 questions are to complete the table. In this table there are different parts of coconut palm have been mentioned, and according to description we are to write about their uses. First question is, its trunk. It is up to 30 meters. Its uses, timber for houses and the making of something. Let's see in the paragraph. The coconut palm has a smooth, slender, grey trunk, up to 30 meters tall. This is an important source of timber for building houses, and is increasingly being used as a replacement for endangered hardwood in the furniture construction industry, so its answer is furniture. Next question is about its flowers. It is at the top of the trunk. Its uses are, stems provide sap, used as a drink or a source of something. Let's see in the paragraph. The flower stems may be tapped for their sap to produce a drink, and the sap can also be reduced by boiling to produce a type of sugar used for cooking, so its answer is sugar. Next question is about fruits. Middle layer, coir fibers. It is used for something. Let's see in the paragraph. The thick fibrous middle layer produces coconut fiber coir, which has numerous uses and is particularly important in manufacturing ropes, so its answer is ropes. Next question is, its inner layer, shell. It is a source of something, and when halved for something. Let's see in the paragraph. The woody innermost layer, the shell, with its 3 prominent eyes, surrounds the seed. An important product obtained from the shell is charcoal, which is widely used in various industries as well as in the home as a cooking fuel. When broken in half, the shells are also used as bowls in many parts of Asia. So first answer is charcoal, and second answer is bowl. Next question is, its coconut water, used as a drink, and a source of something for other plants. Let's see in the paragraph. Inside the shells are the nutrients needed by the developing seed. Initially the endosperm is a sweetish liquid, coconut water, which is enjoyed as a drink, but also provides the hormones which encourage other plants to grow more rapidly. So its answer is hormones. Next question is, its coconut flesh, its oil and milk for cooking and something. Let's see in the paragraph. Dried coconut flesh, copra, is made into coconut oil and coconut milk, which are widely used in cooking in different parts of the world, as well as in cosmetics. So its answer is cosmetics. Next question is, its other use is glycerine, an ingredient in something. Let's see in the paragraph. As Alfred Nobel introduced the world to his nitroglycerin-based invention, dynamite, so its answer is dynamite. Next 9 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, coconut seeds need shade in order to germinate. नारियल के बीजों को अंकुरित होने के लिए छाया की आवश्यकता होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Literally cast into desert island shores, with little more than sand to grow in and exposed to the full glare of the tropical sun, coconut seeds are able to germinate and root. रेत से भरे निर्जन द्वीपों के किनारों पर फेंके गए नारियल के बीज, जहां उगने के लिए रेत के अलावा कुछ खास नहीं होता और वे पूरी तरह उष्णकटिबंधीय सूर्य की तेज धूप के संपर्क में होते हैं, फिर भी वे अंकुरित होकर जड़ें जमा लेते हैं. So its answer is false. Next question is, coconuts were probably transported to Asia from America in the 16th century. संभावना है कि नारियलों को 16वीं शताब्दी में अमेरिका से एशिया लाया गया था. Let's see in the paragraph. 16th century trade and human migration patterns reveal that Arab traders and European sailors are likely to have moved coconuts from South and Southeast Asia to Africa and then across the Atlantic to the east coast of America. 16वीं शताब्दी के व्यापार और मानव प्रवासन के पैटर्न ये दर्शाते हैं कि अरब व्यापारी और यूरोपीय नाविक संभवतः नारियलों को दक्षिण और दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया से अफ्रीका और फिर अटलांटिक महासागर पार कर अमेरिका के पूर्वी तट तक ले गए थे. So its answer is false. Next question is not given. Next to that is, all the coconuts found in Asia are cultivated varieties. एशिया में पाए जाने वाले सभी नारियल खेती की गई किस्में हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. In Asia, there is a large degree of coconut diversity and evidence of millennia of human use. एशिया में नारियल की व्यापक विविधता पाई जाती है और इसके हजारों वर्षों से मानव उपयोग के प्रमाण भी मिलते हैं. So its answer is true. Last question is not given. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.